An African delegation on a peace mission to Ukraine headed by South African President Cyril Ramaphosa was greeted with explosions and forced to shelter in bunkers amid airstrikes on capital Kyiv. Ukrainian officials said that the attack was repelled by air defenses as the leaders prepared to meet with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky on Friday as part of an effort to negotiate an end to Russia's war on the country. 7 African leaders visited Ukraine on Friday. The visit was a part of a self-styled peace mission to both Ukraine and Russia. It is an attempt to help end the nearly 16-month-old war. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky urged the group of African leaders to ask his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin to free political prisoners from Crimea and beyond, saying that it would be an important step during their trip to Russia on Saturday. The leaders who visited Ukraine are the presidents of Comoros, Senegal, South Africa and Zambia, as well as Egypt's Prime Minister and top envoys from the Republic of Congo and Uganda. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa, Senegalese President Macky Sall, Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema and Comoros President Azali Assoumani were present. African leaders were due to meet Russian President Vladimir Putin on Saturday in the northwestern Russian city of St. Petersburg, a day after talks with their Ukrainian counterpart. The calls for the end of the war were rebuffed by Zelensky, who said that to allow any negotiations with Russia now that the occupier is on their land to freeze the war, to freeze the pain and suffering. The African leaders were forced to shelter when air raid sirens sounded across Kyiv due to the detection of incoming Russian missiles. The Ukrainian Air Force later said that it shot down 12 missiles, including 6 hypersonic ones. While there was no reported damage inside the city, the regional police said that 7 people, including 2 children, were wounded.